BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Google Chrome and the Brave web browser for desktop have both received updates over the last couple of hours, which started rolling out on the 7th of December. Now for Google Chrome, if you'd like to see if you have this latest point release update, just head to your menu as always, About Chrome, and the latest version will be 108.0.5359.99 after this update has been applied. Now, the point release will vary slightly depending on what operating system you are using. For Mac and Linux, that point release will be 0.98, and for Windows, either 0.98 or 0.99. And for Google, they say that if you don't see this update at this stage, it will be rolling out over the next coming days and or weeks. And if we head to the Brave web browser, the same applies. We just head to the menu, About Brave. And the version now of the browser after this update has been installed is 1.46.138. Once again, just a point release update. The Chromium version stays exactly the same as it was prior to the update rolling out. Now, just heading back to Google Chrome, both of these seem to be bug fix updates. For Google Chrome, the release notes are not telling us anything. All Google says is that the update is rolling out over the next coming days and or weeks. I have looked a little bit in the Chromium log, and at this stage it seems to be a bug fix update and not a security update. So if you are experiencing any issues in the browser when it comes to performance or bugs or stability problems, just double check your browser is up to date. And if anything does change regarding the fact that this isn't a bug fix update for Google Chrome, then I will obviously post a video and let you know accordingly. But at this stage, we can assume that presume that this latest update for Google Chrome is a bug fix update addressing issues in the browser. And then just heading over to the Brave web browser. This is also a bug fix update where the release notes for this point release update say that they fixed performance issues where fingerprint farbling caused some sites to load slowly or not at all. Now, fingerprint farbling basically is Brave's protection against fingerprinting, so it's a privacy and security feature. So if you were experiencing some performance issues in the Brave web browser, then just make sure you have this latest update taking your browser version to 1.46.138 as it might address any performance issues in the browser. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.